Hello Internet and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will share a short beginner's tutorial of DaVinci Resolve 18. I use this video editing software for making my gaming videos. In this tutorial, I will show you how I quickly make my videos, render them, and make them ready to upload on the YouTube. But before I start the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. DaVinci Resolve is a powerful and feature-rich video editing and post-production software. It's the only software which combines editing, color correction, visual effect, motion graphics, and audio in the post-production. So the current version is DaVinci Resolve 18, 18.5 to be specific. It is available free of cost from Blackmagic Design. You can download your copy from there. It's a very feature-rich software, but I'm not going to cover the majority of those features. In this video, I will only cover the bare minimum needed to edit and render your first video and make it ready for the YouTube upload. Once you have downloaded the software, launch it by double-clicking the desktop icon. You will be greeted with this screen. You can start a new project, call it Game Sample. And this is the main screen where all the magic will happen. So the step one for the gaming video, go to the project settings, change this timeline frame rate to 60. If you don't do this, your final output will not be 60 FPS 1080p. And make sure that the timeline resolution is 1080 HD. And that's all. You don't have to change many things here. You can use different software to record the gaming. I normally use NVIDIA's built-in Shadowplay or OBS. So I've recorded a short clip using the NVIDIA's Shadowplay that I will use for editing. I will also add some more media. You can just drag and drop it here, whatever the video files you want to compile. I will also add an intro card in the middle. Add the media to the timeline. Here you can play it as this is the sample on this screen. I will stop here. You can use the scissor tool to cut it, and you can add the second media in between or in parallel to that. So once that is done, you can move the timeline around and see that it will add that clip in between. Another feature that I use very frequently is the titles. Sometimes I have to add a title to the video or different level. All you have to do is to just take the type you want and drag it to timeline. You can have different titles at different steps. You can put them there. The second easy and the short guide is the edit feature, edit tab. In edit tab, I normally use it to do the minor edits like the sound. For example, if the sound is too loud in this section, I can click this clip, go to audio tab, and reduce the volume a little bit. And you can just check it live. This is the sound level. I will reduce it a little bit more just to make it more clear. So now it is reduced. You can also change the tone if you are adding commentary. You can add pitch or bass. And if you want to add more videos like in a short clip like situation, you can do that. Go to the media pool, add another timeline area. So I will go to edit, select that timeline video clip, and we'll make it half the zoom. So when your timeline is here, you can see it is the video here. You can change the angle, pitch, yaw, flip it, make it upside down, and change the location, of course, also opacity and all those settings. For the titles, you can edit the titles also in the edit tab. Go click the title and you can see here I will go to the title See, here's the title, sample upper line. We can change it here. Gaming sample, the lower line, I will call it please subscribe. Also this one, instead of calling it sample, we can change it to 1. You can change the font, color, many options are there. So essentially, if you don't want to make any more edits, your video should be ready here for rendering. If not, you can always change the settings a little bit, make it small, edit the clip, and change the location, and add transitions. I'm not going to cover that here. And there are many other tabs where you can do the color correction, fusion tab, Fairlight, where you can edit the sound quality, but that's a little bit advanced level processing. You can play around and find out what these tools can do. Color correction is quite nice, that you can add the light, reduce the light to your scene, and different other options, lift, gamma, gain. You can try it, play around, and see what suits the best. Once that is done, you can click the quick export button and make sure that your exporting resolution is 1920 by 1080 and frame rate is 60 fps, and click export. I exported one more video. I will overwrite that, but you can change the name and save it on your desktop. Now this video will be ready for upload. Here is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.